So Mount Pleasant has acquired Belgian third-tier team Renaissance Albert Elizabeth Club de Mons. This is a good look for the club. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really, really appreciate it. It all make sense now. We have seen multiple transfers, huge transfers onto Mount Pleasant. At one point, people are asking, what are they going to do with so much players? But with this update, it all makes sense. This have happened a while now. I'm just doing my reaction to it. Just look into it. It makes sense. It just makes sense. It makes sense. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really, really appreciate it. Just like getting into the details of that first. You don't know anything already. Getting a little. Then we have to go get into the talking session. So, as I say, hit the like button. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. If you like videos like these, no problem at all. If not, no problem. All right, so Mount Pleasant acquires a major stake in Belgian R.A.E.C Mons, Belgian club R.A.E.C Mons. They're in the third tier. Jamaica Premier League side Mount Pleasant have acquired a majority stake in the Belgian club R.A.E.C Mons. Owner Peter Gold and managing director Charlie Meteven announced on Friday. Mons, found in 1910, quite a whole club, has spent most of its times in Belgian top two divisions, but now found themselves in the third tier division. And when you see a club who, as I said, most of their time spent in the top tier division, found themselves in the third tier division, that means something. Most of the time, it means that they are going into liquidation. I don't remember the term. Oh, I can't remember the term. There's a football term for it when club actually are go down. Hopefully, before the video finish, I can remember that term. Hopefully, the point top of my head, but I don't remember it now. But whenever I see that steady decline, means that no money is at the club. Now with Peter Gould stepping in, this could be what the club need to get back on the front foot. Mons won the Belgian second division title once back in 2005-2006 season, and are 3 times winners of the third division title, with their last title coming in 1999 to 2000. In addition to winning the second division, they've also earned promotion to the Belgian Pro League by winning the second division playoff round twice in 2001 to 2002 season and 2010 to 2011 season. Mount Pleasant, founded in 2016. Can you imagine? A club founded when 2025, 2016. That's what, 9 years ago? 9 years ago? Is my maths matting? Is my maths? No. Yes. Oh yeah. So 2016. Yeah, 9 years ago. Club 9 years, 9-year-old club. Technically, a save a club over 100 years of age. A 9-year-old club in Jamaica saving a club in Europe, a club at the age of 100 years old, technically 115 years of age. Save them. A 9-year-old club in Jamaica. You wonder if you know that how significant that is, people. Wonder if you know how significant that is. Anyways, said me just blink a while ago because the term coming in my head. The term coming in my head, I would just gone just like that. It just gone. Anyways, let me continue. So Mount Pleasant, founded in 2006, now plans to restore the club to its previous eminence and to provide a platform for young Caribbean players to pursue their career in Europe. And as I thought, I said it all makes sense based off this. Now you see a lot of Jamaican players making the move to Europe. Now, this happened recently, but so much things happening that is situation there's so many things happening that even some things are not being reported even now. So let's load it alone. Anyways, now this is definitely a pathway for our local players to go into Belgium. We know that Belgium is one of the countries that don't have those high stipulations, high requirements to come and play in their pro league. So definitely it is a good route. In the event, Mount Pleasant can basically use this as their second base, where probably first base to provide money for Mount Pleasant again. You know, they don't really need it, but at least one to sustain the other would be quite good. Now, one thing for sure, they're going to need to spend quite a lot of money to get the club up and running, to get the club competing. And if they can bring back this club to the first year of the first division, it will look really, really good on Mr. Goal, the Mount Pleasant family, the stakeholders at Mons. It's going to look good on everyone at that moment, if it should happen. More than likely it's going to happen, because I do believe that Mr. Goal is willing to spend the money to make it happen. And I would love to see some of our very own players go over there and mash up the league. I would love to see that. Anyways, becoming an owner of an historic European club is a proud day, and the next step in our project is to create a football powerhouse in the Caribbean. Mount Pleasant owner Peter Gould said, "There is a lot of hard work ahead of our management team, but between what we have in Jamaica and what we have now in Europe, I feel that building blocks are in place to take us to the next level and beyond," he added. Managing director Charlie Metven called the move a huge moment for Caribbean football. Until now, young players from our region have had to rely significantly on chances as to whether or not they get their big move to Europe. But now, when they come to Mount Pleasant, they will know that if their talent and hard work merits a contract in Europe, then that will definitely happen for them, he added. According to reports, Mount Pleasant FA captain Sole McCullough, striker Nicholas Nelson, winger Devante Campbell, could be joining Mons this summer. And all of that is very, very good news. And as I said, in no time, we might see the likes of Romain Blake, Werner Brown, and maybe, just maybe, this could be one of the projects that was sold to Werner Brown for him to, just to accept and get the deal over the line. So it's really, really interesting. Definitely, this is a good look. This is a really good look for Jamaican football and a good look for Mount Pleasant. And it definitely showcases that Mr. Gould is changing the dynamics, are changing the look, the outlook of the Jamaica Premier League, and what the clubs in the league potentially can do and how they can get things done. Now, certainly not all the clubs in Jamaica have that financial backing. Not all the clubs in Jamaica have that financial backing. But one thing we know for sure is that Mount Pleasant is willing to do what it takes to win the necessary titles and to look as good as possible. And it's a good look. I'm loving what I'm seeing, and I'm enjoying what I'm seeing. So next up is the Caribbean Cup. It's going to be interesting. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button. Caribbean. Yeah, Caribbean Club Championship. Yeah. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button. Hit the subscribe button. This is a really, really good look. And as I said, a big, big opportunity. It all makes sense now. Signing so much player, more than likely they're signing players so that some of these players can go, are the better players at Mount Pleasant currently, can go to Belgium, and those players will come in and replace them. So it makes sense. So expect to see some big signings. Expect to see some big signings coming to Mount Pleasant. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Tell us what you think in the comment section. MG Sports TV or out. God bless. Boom. Outside.